Hello my dear friends, welcome to our new video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a drink that many people are unaware of. Watch the video and also listen carefully to what I'm saying. This beverage will boost your energy level in no time, alleviate premature ejaculation issues, and even appeal to individuals suffering from anemia. Try this drink for 21 days, it's truly beneficial. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments and I'll honestly respond. If you liked the video, be sure to like it, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to stay updated on our new videos. Your health is our wish.
Thank you.